friends, let's get the show underwater. We're clearing out of here. So pick your favorite hand up and wave goodbye, friends. Go on and wave goodbye, everyone. Oh, no. Not to them. To each other. Yeah, wave goodbye to each other. That's not a joke. It's called advice, all right? Friends, family, victims of all sizes. This is the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Now, my name is, Ryan. This was his favorite shirt. That's a shame. All right, got a lot of material, not a whole lot of time. So real quick, a boat orientation for your safety. Take a look up high above your heads. Have a look above your heads. Up there, that is called the roof. Nautical term. Take a look down low towards your feet. That is called the floor. And if at any point they change directions, swim. Okay. Now, who knows how to swim? Raise your hands, friends. All right, y'all are my flotation devices for this cruise, okay? I'm going to need your help. Appreciate it. All right, right here we start on the mighty Amazon, home to our very first landmark. Right here on the left, this is Inspiration Falls. Now, everybody always asks me, Skipper Ryan, why are they called the Inspiration Falls? I'm so glad one person asked. Wow, you guys must be fun at parties, huh? Inspiration Falls is named as such because if you listen to them for long enough, they'll inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. And Madam, I'm not sure what you're laughing at. This is a family attraction, okay? I'm very young and impressionable. Question for you. How many of you brave souls have ever seen the Jungle Book before? Raise your hands. Just seen the Jungle Book. Anyone? Oh, so you can hear me back there. Okay, good. Well, if you've never seen the Jungle Book, don't worry. I am here to culture you. Because right here on the left, there it is. Yeah, that's the Jungle Book, and it's the box set, too. I know, I'm so nice. You can thank me later, I take cash. Now, right up front, we got our brand new restaurant, Boats, Baits, and Bites. Now, here we go. It doesn't look like much of a restaurant, but their piranha is good for a quick bite, if you know what I'm saying. I'm not really a fish guy myself. No, I just tried it for the halibut. But if you don't like fish, they also serve a wonderful snake surprise right here on the left. Now, does anyone know what kind of snake that is? It starts with a P. Anyone know? Anyone know what it's called? It starts with a P.
What is that?
Oh, it's not called Python. It's called Peter. Actually, that's his name. You don't want to call him the wrong name. Right here on the right, friends, this is my humble abode. Yes, my house, my home, my domicile. Those three friends inside my house are both my primates and their roommates. And it looks like they're using the roommates to rest. Hanging out without me, doing it myself. Isn't that precious? Let that be a lesson to you. Always live with your parents. Never move out into traffic. Okay, no matter what they tell you, it's not worth it. Anyway, here, friends, this is the Nile, the world's longest river. And I'm sure you've heard that the Nile goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. But if you don't believe me, that must mean that you're in a boat. Actually, sir, you're in a boat. And you said that so loudly. How embarrassing for you. Yeah. Now, right here on the left, this here's an African bull elephant. Fun fact about African bull elephants, they are the world's fastest land mammal. It's true. Oh, what, don't believe me? There he is again! Oh, I don't know how he does that every time. I'll catch you next time, mister. He's a real word. Now here, this is a brand new biome altogether, the African belt. And it is the one that holds up the African pants. Home to a wide array of species, so I'm going to be here and teach you all about them. Let's see what kind of animals we got. Let's see. All right, perfect. Well, first things first, I see some obscenely tall cheetahs. That's disturbing. Those things up front, those are the things that killed Mufasa. I see some 68 impalas, and those tall things in the back, those are called trees. I know, I love nature, don't you? And right here on the rocks, this is simply adorable. Here we have a zebra that took an afternoon nap protected by his lion friend. Isn't that precious? Wow, that zebra sure looks dead. Tired. Let's let it rest in pieces. Now, folks, as we turn around here, I'm going to talk to you about okay, nobody panic, okay? Stay calm. There's a simple explanation for this. Looks like I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5,000 rocks in that beach. Can you believe it? Wow. Yeah, that's all there is to see, right, guys? The rocks. That's it. Ahem! Just the rocks. Do we understand each other? Smile and nod. Beautiful. Well, you know what they say. If a rhino ever tries to charge you, just cancel your credit card. They'll take care of that. Now, if you look up front here, up front we see something beautiful, amazing, and breathtaking. Hi, how you doing? Now, behind me is Schweitzer Falls, named after the founder of our cruise, Dr. Albert Falls. What we're going to go ahead and do is steer clear of his water, Schweitzer, but trust me, we will be going over it later. That's a promise and a threat. Make no mistake, we'll go over it later, if you know what I mean. Oh, and a word to the wise, too. If you don't end up laughing at my jokes, you just might find yourselves under it later. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, at this point, people always say the same thing. How on earth did this bozo land his job? Well, I think it's plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've been winging it ever since. That's the tail end of that story. My career never really took off, you know what I mean? Now here, friends, this is one of the more dangerous parts of our journey. This is a hippopotamus bathing pool. Now, these hippos, when they're above the surface of the water, they're mighty feisty. But we actually have a baby hippo out here. If you guys listen very closely, you can actually hear the baby hippos calling out for their mom. Let's listen close and see if we can hear it now. Mom! Mom! See, I love nature. So beautiful, so sonorous. And right here up front, if you look inside this boat, this is full of a group of skippers in training. Yes, this up front is what we look like before we get our khaki uniform. Now, it looks like this trainee up front has the microphone, so let's listen in and see if these new hires have any good material, huh? Okay, that was a good one. Can I use that one, buddy? That was so illegal. But after that, everybody always says, "Oh, Skipper Ryan, I think a monkey could do your job." And you know what? That's dead wrong. Because those are chimps, okay? A chimp could do my job, not a monkey, all right? If you're going to insult me, call me the right animal. Now here, of course, this needs no introduction, and if it does, you've been missing out. Because here, we have the tantalizing, the amazing, the hydrating, the invigorating, the very wonderful, the extremely merchandisable, the best side of water! Yes! Freebird! Backside of water gets me every time, but trust me on this, you never want to try that at home, because you will hit your head on the faucet. Anyway, this here is the Mekong River, and I'll be honest, it is making me nervous. Here's why. If you look on the right, this is a depiction of the ancient river goddess Shirley. And if you look on the left, that's her temple. Now, Shirley's temple is known for danger, so here's the deal. All right, keep your eyes open for anything. That way, I can keep mine closed for everything. And if anything happens to you, don't worry. I get paid either way, so I'll be fine. That's a first. All right, well, right here we find ourselves at an ancient Indian elephant bathing ground. Now, I'll be honest, these elephants are adorable. If you want to take some photos of them, go for it. They do have their trucks on. Now, there is one thing here that you will likely never forget, purely because of its majesty. Coming up on the right, we have a baby elephant under a full moon. How about that? Majestic. Ah, you love to see it. At least I do, every day of my life. Hey, Charlie! Whoa! Sorry, guys. He's a real tough one to train. I've been working on him. Okay, oh, that guy's actually not kidding. He's actually not kidding, guys. I'm not kidding. I was actually not. Wow, I was totally kidding. And you all fell for it up front. That's hysterical. It seems like you guys like dry humor. Yeah, I can tell. And with that, it is coming to be about that time. Now, friends, I'll be honest with you. I am nothing if not honest. Honesty is the best policy. Of all of my cruises today, you folks have absolutely ended up being my most recent. So if you enjoyed your cruise, shoot my pal Skipper Ryan to get an exit to the right-hand side a moment or two. If you did not enjoy your cruise, my name is actually Skipper Elsa. Let it go. All right? Because I could not care less about your criticism. Keep that in mind. All right. Safety rules for our lawyers. Please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, and legs in a boat. Parents, watch those kids. Now, folks, let's recap today. We laughed together. We cried together. And we very nearly died together. But if there's anything that I want you to remember from our precious time together, let it be that I ended our cruise by saying to you, unequivocally, in sound body and mind, with every fiber of my being, and with all of my heart and affection, from the very bottom of my loving, caring soul, emphatically and sincerely, poetically and enthusiastically, definitively, and finally, get out. Watch it and step, friends.